In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a highlight text effect in Davinci Resolve. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is find your clip that you want to add this effect on. Then from here, you need to go up to the effects tab. You need to go to generators and you need to select the solid color and drag this right on the top of your clip that you want to add the effect on. Then from here, you need to select the solid color, go up to inspector, go to generator and change the color. Then from here, you just need to click OK, go to settings, and scroll down until you see composite and composite mode. Then from here you need to select the color dodge, like so, and you need to select the crop tool, or you can scroll up to the transform tool and find the specific part that you want to highlight, like so. Then from here you need to go over to the start of the clip, you need to unselect the cropping tool, and you need to scroll down in the inspector tab until you see the cropping tool here. Then from here you need to select crop right and push this over to the right hand side, like so. Then from here you need to make a keyframe, like so. Then you can skip frames by clicking the arrow key until you find a specific part that you want to add this effect on. And to do that, you simply need to take this little bolt here and just drag it down to 0. And I can quickly show you how it's gonna look like so. And if you want to change the speed of it, you need to click this little arrow down here, and then you can select here, and you can make it longer if you want to do that, or you can make it significantly shorter if you also want to do that. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!